Hello people of YouTube and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this wig that I got recently as well as one other. While reviewing the other I will probably be wearing this one and then I will wear the other one once I review the other one, and I'll show you the insides, the outsides, tell you what I think about them. Yeah. I hope you like it. Okay guys, so I figured let's just get right into it. I got these wigs from my family friend who's in America. We looked online, I found ones I wanted, and I sent her the names and stuff of the ones I wanted, and then she went and she got them for me, and then she brought them back when she came home because shipping costs, yo, not a thing. Cannot deal, will not deal. Anywho, so I'm very into like the whole wigs and like weaves and stuff, although I'm liking wigs a lot more now than weaves because I can take it off when I need to like treat my actual hair, and it's just like cornrowed normally underneath and whatnot, which is great for me. Don't mind my nail, it legit fell off, I don't know when, because I went to bed and I had like a full set. Woke up this morning, yeah, that's how I'm feeling, but it's fine. So I guess let's just kind of get right into it. The first wig I'm gonna chat to you about is not the one I'm wearing. No, it is the Swiss X, the Outre Swiss X lace front wig in style Risa. I got it in the color 1B. This is what the little thingy, it comes attached to the wig. I took it off because I don't need it on the wig. But yeah, this thing, it's like the front of the little pamphlet thingy that comes with it, and it kind of gives you like on the back of it, you've got like a care guide, and you've got like a step-by-step of how to like put it on, how to get rid of the excess lace, because it comes with like a lot more lace than you actually should have on it. This one did as well, but I've been using it for like a week or so, maybe two. I think it's 2 weeks. I've been using it for like 2 weeks, a week or 2 weeks, and whatever. But I've been using it for that sort of period. And obviously I couldn't walk around with it just with the lace. I've been meaning to film this and I just haven't done it. I know, I'm terrible, I'm absolutely horrible, but it's fine. So on the back here it tells you the color that you have ordered it in 1B. It gives you the step-by-step things of how to, you know, do the things of life, how you cut it, how you put it on, brushing it, you know, how it should be looking at the finished. It also tells you how to take care of the wig, which I think is like super important, because I mean, if you're going to buy something, you want it to last as long as it possibly can, and if you're not taking care of it, it's not going to last. Logic. Anyways, it's got like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sort of, and what you should do, what you shouldn't do. And then on the inside here, you have sort of like the different ways you can wear the wig. I will link down below some sites that you can get the wig off of, because I've seen it on like a lot of different sites. I'm not entirely sure which site my friend used, so I can't really tell you that, but I can tell you which sites I looked on, and I'll link down some reviews of the wig that I saw, which was why I kind of wanted the wig, because, you know, I looked at it, I checked out how other people felt about it, and, you know, whether they liked it or not, what their thoughts were on it, because I don't know, I feel like you don't just purchase something and like pray for the best. No, if there is a way for you to get the most information that you can get through, you know, checking out someone else's experience, then, I mean, come on, do it. And then over here, just a little extra thing, it tells you exactly what type it is, what you can do with it. Multi-directional parting. I mean, it says multi-directional parting, that's all good and well, but I think it's a lot easier to just shift the wig when you put it on. I might just be being a child, but also I guess you'd have to like straighten it to make it like flat, because I know like this I've straightened like flat so that I can like have a very specific part, but I like center parts, so you guys happy. Anyways, this is the little thing it comes with. It comes in like this thing. As you can see, I already opened it because I needed to see it. I had to. I couldn't not. So it's got like this sort of stuff that goes inside the wig thingy that like protects it, and it has like two of these across the lace to kind of like keep it from, I guess, the lace from breaking or whatever whilst it's in like packaged and whatnot. I'm just gonna pull everything up real quick. It comes in like this sort of like protective net as well. As you can tell, I have taken it out obviously because I've been checking it out and such. Just put the wing there. I tied it up as well because I didn't want to have to like struggle to like show you guys things with this thing just like shifting all over the show. But like, that's it tied up. You can tie it up, which is wonderful because it's got like this, it looks sort of natural at the bottom there. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Whatever. But this is the front of it. It's like a lace part, and you can technically part it in other directions. Again, I would just shift the wig and then let it sit that way because it still looks pretty decent. On the inside they've got this sort of like material sewn in, which I think is to kind of like, what? I think it's to sort of just keep the part looking like a naturalish color. Because I know like if you're gonna wear like a black wig cap underneath, like this for example, because it doesn't have this thing, it'll show through sort of. But this is the inside of the wig. It's not like closed off, it's like little, you can see all the tracks. They've all been attached to these sort of stretchy things. I'm not sure what they are, what you call them, or whatever it is. But yeah, you've got the sort of lace thing. You can see that it goes right around like that. Okay, I'm gonna put off the pony so that you can see the length, as it were. But yeah, this is like the general thing. It feels nice, but like it doesn't feel like Brazilian hair or whatever, but it does take heat, which is awesome, and it feels even nicer after you've straightened it. Yeah, and this is gonna be me for daisies with the loveliness that is this long frigging wig. I haven't used this one yet, so I can't really tell you exactly what I think about it, but I can definitely tell you what I think about it later, like after I've sorted my shit out. Okay, so this is basically the Outre Risa on. I mean, it feels amazing on my face. I really like it. It does come like very sort of flattened out, which I don't actually mind too much, I have to say. And obviously this has to be cut, which I will do when I'm good and ready, if I'm being honest. And here's sort of like the, you know, vibes of it. So you can tell I am not quite put it. It's not like hooked at the back, but it comes with like hooks and stuff, which I showed you the inside of. And is the shorter one I was wearing earlier. That one is called the, also comes with all this like stuff for protecting and whatnot. It's called the U-curve lace front wig by Model, and I also got it in 1B. The style is Storm. It tells you the kind of like parting that you've got, and it's one you can like shift the parting about on as well. And also synthetic. They're both synthetic wigs, because synthetic wigs, and you can get it in like an array of colors, as you can see like down here. I'll also see if I can find a link and put that down below so you guys can like have a look at it and sort of see if you want to download it yourselves. At the back here it gives you some instructions on how to wash it, how to style it, and then it tells you here that any hair products can be used on wigs, such as hairspray, mousse, gel, since the wigs are washable and reusable. But it can also take heat, which is wonderful. And then this is what the inside looks like here. It's got that thing, the lace. I did cut it because I've been using it, obviously. It comes with 2 clips there, just like the other one did, just like this one, and a clip at the bottom. They all sort of have the same make in that sense, with that and like the thing there. It also comes with that like sort of hook at the bottom there, this thing that lets you adjust like the size of the cap so that you can you know, make it fit your head personally. Ooh, I'm not, oh look, there we go. So that's what it would look like without the lace. I mean, fuck, I think I really like this. I mean, it's so nice. Like, wow, guys. Ooh. And that highlight though. In case you haven't noticed, I'm a little bit of an idiot, but it's okay, it's okay. So this is what this one looks like on. It's like that. That's my length there. I have straightened it because I've been using it for like a while, and it's pretty decent, I think. You can put it up there. This does like sort of lift a bit, but that's really easy. Just take some bobby pins and and it'll stay right there for like the rest of the day. Same thing on this side. You can tie this up too. I would, but I don't want to right now. Okay, it's fine. Let's go to it. You can see sort of just give you like sort of like the vibe. Yeah, you can definitely tie it up. Make sure to detangle it, I guess, like before you go to bed or whatever, because yeah. That's basically it. Like, that's all about the wigs. I really do like the look of them. I've been liking this one quite a bit as well because I've been wearing it. My only issue is that the underneath here, it tends to sort of get knotted quite easily. I don't know why. I'm thinking I just need to like rewash it. Just need to wash it and like maybe condition it and stuff. And maybe it'll make my synthetic fibers softer or whatever. But yeah, that's it. So guys, thanks so much for watching my little wig thoughts unboxing thing, which I guess is not really an unboxing because I unboxed them like weeks ago. But it's fine. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe anyways. If you know places where I can expand my collection, please hit your girl up because collection is definitely not complete. I've only got like 3 if you include like the Brazilian one I got like at the beginning of the year, which you've all by now seen in like videos. But thanks for watching, guys.